নমস্কার, আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 101 অন ক্রেপ বেনারসি। আমরা অনেক দিন ওয়েট করছিলাম, আমাদের পার্সেল বাইরে থেকে আসবে পলিশ হয়ে, ফিনিশিং হয়ে, কারণ লকডাউন ছিল চারিদিকে। আর খুব সুন্দর আমাদের এখন উইভিং হয়ে এসছে ক্রেপের ওপর। যদি আজকে আমি ক্রেপ বেনারসির ওপর প্রচুর সম্ভার দেখাবো, দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। কারণ নতুন নতুন কালার্স এবং আগে যেগুলো দেখানো হয়েছিল তার আরও ভ্যারাইটি কালার্স আর কনসেপ্টস হয়ে এসছে, সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন। এপিসোড নাম্বার 101 ক্রেপ হ্যান্ড ওভেন পিওর বেনারসি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, এটার আমি কয়েকটা কালার দেখাবো, কয়েকটা উইভ দেখাবো। প্রোডাক্ট 1A, এটা কালার কম্বিনেশনটা হচ্ছে টমেটো রেড, খুব সুন্দর একটা ডিপ রেড কালার, সিঁদুরে লাল যেটা আমরা বলি, ব্রাইট রেড কালার with Rani color border, all antique zari but very gorgeous look. These are all pure crepe, so all hand woven pure crepes. This is the pallu part. These are very fashionable because crepes are very easy to wear. It has a great fall and very easy to drape also. 11,900 rupees, more or less the prices are all same. The fabric is the heaviest quality of crepe and with antique zari, hand woven. This is the blouse piece, will be in contrast. All the blouse pieces will be in contrast and that also with a woven border. So this is the get up of the sari. It's a beautiful small buta. Red and Rani can be an ideal bridal collection, and this is the all over buta border. 11,900. So I've got two weaves of the same one. So the one that I showed you, and this is another B, A1 and AB. So I'll not open the whole thing, just a touch, because why I'm showing two weaves, because since these are one piece, so these are all the same color, little 19-20 difference in the border. So probably that was a flower one, this is a paisley one. So that's why I'm showing you, so you can get an option. Both the weaves are very pretty, except that was a floral border, this is a small paisley border. Prices are all same, color combination is same, the buta woven is same, and the blouse piece is this. With the paisley you will get this blouse piece. So this is the difference. Product number 2, it's in Rama green and royal blue. Rama green and royal blue. This is also a very bright combination, very different combination, it's a new combination. Hand woven, of course, all crepe pure Banarasi, 11,900 rupees. All over tiny buta, floral nakshi border woven. Antique gold zari, contrast royal blue blouse piece. And this is the gorgeous look of the sari, very smart combination, especially those who wants to avoid the red and ranis, so for them that's a nice option. Product number 3, purple and rani. That's a pure purple color, not burgundy, it's a purple color, beautiful purple, rich, gorgeous paisley border. See, I'm draping it, so it looks really gorgeous on our Indian complexion. Purple goes very well, and now purple is a very in color. All fabric purples doesn't look nice, but crepe, georgette, chiffons, the purples look really pretty. This is the woven blouse piece with the paisley border. You get the woven blouse, and with the floral border you get the plain blouse with the border. Both are very pretty, both the concepts are very nice. This is the same price. Product number 3. Now Number 4, again A and B because of the Nokshi border difference, and single piece, that's why I'll show you 2 options. Rani with red. The body is in Rani color. It's our very favorite color combination, Rani and red, because it's very rich and an occasion wear color combination. 4A 11,900, as I said, all the crepes are more or less the same price, and you know, no need of ironing also. Wear 3-4 times, sometimes polish. This is the red blouse piece with this. Chota boota all over. Gorgeous combination. Red blouse with border. Again number B, the same thing. I'll just check out the blouse. Yes, it's a paisley border, hence the blouse will be woven blouse. Red woven blouse. Sorry. 5A. This is burgundy and Rani. This is also a lovely combination. In fact, previous episode I had worn this combination only. 11,900, burgundy and Rani with butta. Floral border, woven blouse. Same one, paisley border. Woven blouse. More close butta. This butta is more close. So A and B, just take the screenshot of the product which you want to purchase. The name and the store should be mentioned. The product number should be visible. And WhatsApp only, no phone calls, WhatsApp only to any of the number provided. Once we check the availability and we confirm you, we'll give you the bank details. After transfer, first come first serve, then the product will be shipped. This is the sari. Within 2 to 3 working days, we'll finish the product and then we'll ship it to you. So please have patience. Even now the lockdown is still there in Kolkata, so 2 to 3 working days it takes, because sometimes the courier service people come alternate day, and sometimes also there is no service in maybe in any of your area, so we have to usually it's done within a day, but we tell you within 2 to 3 working days. Sometimes when these technical issues have come out, like there's a Saturday, Sunday when they don't come for a pickup. So these are the reasons. So you have to wait for 2 to 3 working days and then you will receive the product. We'll ship it to you. Black and Rani, lovely combination, gorgeous, rich. Black and Rani, we love this combination. Evening wear, party wear color combination. Number 6, corner butta in pure crepe Banarasi. Episode 101, 11,900. Corner butta crepe Banarasi, hand woven by master weavers and all very good polish, beautiful fall, soft, lightweight and very, very comfortable. Traditional saris in a very fashionable look. This is the blouse piece. wear the blouse pieces, don't waste the fabric, because these are all very well hand woven saris. So it's better if you make a longer sleeve blouse. It looks very smart with these traditional ones instead of making sleeveless or halter. I personally prefer to make a bit longer sleeves with these traditional saris. Beautiful combination. This is also in the similar corner butta. All the saris we are showing closely the border, the butta, the combination. I'm explaining you, I'm telling you over the verbally also I'm telling you the exact color. This is a dark viridian green with Rani. In case sometimes I understand that colors might be 1920, but very rare case because we don't filter. All showroom light, 11,900. All these products will be uploaded in Facebook. Saris will be uploaded in Facebook after the episode is uploaded in the YouTube channel. The Facebook page link is already provided. You can like the page for more options. There are albums for these where we are uploading this in bridal collection, heirloom collection, weaves and looms, traditional saris. There are all albums there where you can see more options, but select from recent uploads as the previous ones are all sold out. So every time I keep showing the new videos, for that you have to please like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. This is a body Rani with a red border. Body Rani, lovely red border. See the border. Konya butta. These take, these are very little terms in the Banaras, the weavers. Konya butta, karwa, karua. These are all little terms, but they have lot of this thing, because this is hand woven, and when you turn the loom and turn the product and then do the separate, takes a lot of time. Separate one corner butta to weave that corner butta. We just find it that maybe it's a small butta, but it's very interesting the way they do it. I will be uploading a few videos in YouTube also about my karigars, my weavers weaving these products. Like I already uploaded my Tati weaving the Bengal handlooms. I will be uploading more videos of my weavers who are creating such wonderful creations for you. These traditional saris which you appreciate, and these Indian textile, Indian weaves, we all love our gorgeous bright combination and various fabrics that is available, various sustainable fabrics. This is red and Rani combination. Now product number 9, royal blue and Rani. Again Konya butta, narrow border, sleek borders. These are very smart sleek border. You can see the richness of the fabric, the combination by the colors, how rich the combinations we've used. The back side, just let me show you one sari, the back side. It's all very well cut and well finished. Blouse piece, Jal Upara blouse. Now number 10, Shikarga border in monotone, the next concept of crepes. It's a red color, monotone red small butta, and see the awesome weave of the bird and the flowers, the beautiful weave. The coordination, the concepts in this 1-inch border. Just see the weave they've done in zari. ₹10,950 monotone red crepe monotone. The back side, see how neat the finish is. It's a red color with rich woven blouse. You can wear, gold blouse with the, wear this blouse only. You can wear gold jewelry, of course. You can wear contrast green jewelry, anything contrast green will look nice, black, multicolored stones jewelry. These look very pretty with these monotones also. 10,950 rupees. Here is the sari once again. The pallu. Now the one I am wearing, this is a deep peacock blue color, deep turquoise. It's a beautiful deep turquoise blue color with again Nokshi border woven. It's a very uncommon color. This is the pallu in red, small buta all over. Small buta all over, and with this you will get this blouse piece, the red border blouse piece. Even with this you can make a full sleeve blouse, and you can use the border, the sleeves, so you can use a narrow piping, or you can make churi sleeves, and the sleeves you can just use it here. So that also gives a very smart look. A V-neck with the border blouse, very smart sari. And this price is 11,900 rupees. 11,900, deep turquoise blue. Now a few more of similar kind of shikarga weave in monotone. This is dark navy color, deep navy, very rich combination, and this weave looks very prominent in this dark colors. See the neatness of the weave. It looks very nice in these dark tones, and this is the pallu part. This is product number 11, 10,900, 10,950, and all pure best quality crepe hand woven with tiny buta all over. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Probably we are expecting from 1st of July we will be opening up. So in that case, then Jamil Lane showroom will also be opening. Now we are open only Cornfield Road branch 11 to 6 o'clock according to the government rules. 11 to 6 we are open, but we are taking orders and online bookings regularly in the 2 numbers provided. This is the navy color of the same previous one that I showed you in red. Now I'll show you some lovely more colors. This is in the similar one in peacock blue again. This is a lighter tone of my turquoise. Each sari I am putting on myself so that you can understand how it looks when you drape this. After a long time these crepes have come, the woven, the polish, it was delayed due to the transport problem and all. 10,950 rupees. So hopefully most of you will get these because I'm showing you quite a lot of stock, and even in showroom please visit, we have more stocks there. So this is the blouse piece. Gorgeous combination, and easy that these are not see-through, so it's very comfortable to wear also. Now black, I know you will love this black. Number 13, With black you can do, even with the others you can do a lot of styling with this black also. This you can, you know, make high neck blouses, high neck short sleeve blouse also will look very nice in this, air hostess necks and all. Because I want the, you know, since the blouse is fully woven, so it's best if you can just show the blouse in the sleeves instead of making it sleeveless. When you wear this blouse here, the blouse piece, it's a rich blouse piece, no? All monotone, shikarga border, hand woven. I'll just tell you a little about the mannequin also. It's wearing a contrast dyed border, dark navy blue with red color combination. It has the red blouse also with this. 11,900 with the red blouse, and this is the blouse the pallu. It's a beautiful sari, and I've made the mannequin wear it with our silk chanderi blouse pieces. These are also available 1 meter cuts. We have buttas, the jal design, many more options of blouse pieces in showroom. More colors and more are available, starting 1200 to 2000, 2200, that range. There are various range depending on the weave. Now coming to product number 14, again a konya butta, royal blue and rani, 11,900, konya butta, 11th paisley konya butta. With blouse piece. Very rich combination. Navy and purple. This is also a very unique color. Navy and purple, 11,900. Few with heavy blouse, few with crepe blouse border, but the prices remain the same. I have not done any changes in the price, it's all the same, because many people love the plain blouse with the border also. It looks very smart actually, because the body is so much of weave, and with the solid color blouse border it also looks very you know, you can wear it with, you know, not only occasion, you can wear it at any semi formal occasion also. Now again shikarga, those were only bird and these are with animals. This also you were waiting for a long time, because I had shown only one piece in the previous crepe episode in black. That is also available, black has come also, and now I'll show you more colors which are available in shikarga woven border, monotone solid border pallu concept with rich woven blouse pallu. Shikarga crepe monotone in wine color, 10,950 rupees, 10,950. So we are shipping regularly, cash on delivery only in Kolkata with an extra charge, and outside Kolkata it will be via courier. See the blouse, Ghat Chola shikarga woven blouse concept. The blouse will also have the bird, elephant figures, you know, see, it's a Ghat Chola concept blouse piece. This also available in black, which I'll not be showing, but it's available. Turquoise, some lovely shades I'll show you in this border pallu concept. blouse. So I've already shown you draping all the sarees. So these concepts I'll just show you how it looks with the blouse piece. So you have an idea how it looks after draping. This is navy, see. $10,950 in navy. I hope it's clear. Red. It's a lovely red. All shikarga woven borders. Very smart concept, and these weaves are all hand woven and take so long to weave. These creation are priceless actually. Traditional sarees with very smart look and concept. Hat chola, shikarga blouse. If you like the products, kindly leave a comment there, and please visit the store. Please recommend if you feel that products are good enough. Now comes monotone with loads and loads of small buttas. Rani color, pallu. Actually with crepes I don't do too much of experiments. It's border pallu, butta, monotone, shikarga border, contrast border pallu. So these are big because these ultimately I've seen people love the traditional look only. So with keeping the combinations in mind and keeping the concept, these kind of concept, only little bit of change in colors, because too much of experiment in this will not look too good, I think. See, blouse. And the last one in red, for bridals also Rani red. These are always in demand. See the rich fabric, the weave, and whatever zari you are seeing, these will not become dark at all. Even after 10 years the look will be like this, except that don't directly spray perfume on these. 11,900 rupees. Direct perfume spray, darkens any zari, even the jewelries. I've seen even in jewelries, if you spray, they become very, there's a layer on that. If you spray direct perfume on the jewelries, also metals. Normal dry clean, sometimes wash. Sometimes polish, sorry. Normal dry clean, sometimes polish. So that's it, folks. I hope you like the products. After a long time, these products have come. Again, before I leave, just let me tell you about the jewelry. This is 2,900, the neck piece. It has tassels, so you can, lengthen little bit, you can loosen, or you can do it more tighter. And with this we have the earrings. Oh, this is a beautiful jhumka set with this 2,900 rupees set, and more variety of jewelries available in showroom. So please visit, and thank you so much. Namaskar, shobai bhalo thakben.